Hello,
Hey,
how are you?
how are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Great. What would you like to do today?
General conversation.
Okay. So, spoken before?
No, this is the first time. Actually, I
Okay.
booked.
So, would you
I
like to tell
booked.
me a little bit? Yeah, then you didn't come.
Yes, because of the timing. I didn't
Yeah.
realize that what was the
Oh,
timing, so there was a confusion.
it's okay. No problem. How long have you been teaching English?
It has been 7 years.
So, you are in Saudi Arabia. How long have you been there?
It has been 1 year from now.
Okay, great. And are you there with your family or alone?
No, alone. My family is in Pakistan.
Okay. And how often do you see them? Because the coronavirus, I guess you haven't been able to see your family, right?
Exactly. I went there in January,
Yeah.
and we were supposed to go in June, July vacation. But because of this
Yeah.
pandemic, we couldn't go. So let's see.
Well, I'm sorry.
No problem.
So, how is school working now? Are you giving your classes online?
Yes, I'm giving
So, are
online
you
classes.
excellent? And how many hours a day are you giving online classes?
In our school, they have given different time slots for primary and middle grade students. So I teach primary
Yeah.
students. We have 5 periods in a day. Altogether, I have 21 periods in a week.
And these periods are 45 minutes or an hour?
Uh, 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Okay. Great. And so primary. I was a teacher, but secondary. Besides teaching and learning, do you have any hobbies?
I do have hobbies like I like reading books, but these days I don't
Yeah.
have much time to read, so I'm not reading at all.
Because of work?
Exactly.
Okay. And so you have to go to your school to give your online classes from the school?
Yes.
Okay. Well, and how has adapting to online classes been difficult for you?
Yes, it was difficult for 1 week, and then we
Yeah.
got used to it. Now it's much better.
You start the conversation now. I feel like I'm interviewing you.
So you are from which country?
Florida,
Florida,
USA.
USA.
Yeah.
So schools are open there?
No, South Florida right now, schools are closed. It's online
Okay.
classes. In more North Florida, like of the state, because the biggest like outbreak of coronavirus in Florida is where I'm from. So
Mhm.
everything's closed. But north of the state, everything is like semi open. The kids are going to school, but with masks. And here in Colombia, school is canceled until next year.
Okay, because here, 1 day in a week, students come to the school.
And what is how do you pick the students, or do they switch the
There, there,
students? Like
there
one
are,
day this group?
yes, they have divided into groups. So,
Yeah.
so 1 day one group comes, the next day second group comes. But when they are in the school, they are not taught anything new. Okay, if they have to ask anything from the previous topics,
Okay.
from the previous lessons, they can ask and they leave. but obviously they have to cover their face, they have to observe social distancing.
Yeah. Okay. And do you think this has been beneficial for the kids learning, like going back to school, even if it's just that one day?
Yes, I think because students now are getting bored and they really want to come back to school.